Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a small but significant piece of European currency, the €1 coin from 2004. Though tiny, this coin encapsulates a rich blend of geography, characteristics, and history that makes it a fascinating topic for numismatists and history enthusiasts alike. The €1 coin is part of the euro currency, which is used by 20 of the 27 member states of the European Union, collectively known as the Eurozone. These countries include major economies like Germany, France, Italy, and Spain, as well as smaller nations such as Malta, Cyprus, and Luxembourg. The euro was introduced in 1999 for electronic transactions and in 2002 for cash transactions, replacing many national currencies. The European Central Bank, ECB, and the Eurosystem are responsible for managing the euro. Coins, however, are minted by individual member states. Each country has its own unique designs on the reverse side, while the obverse side is common across all member states. Let's delve into the specific characteristics of the 2004 €1 coin. Obverse, common side. The common side of all €1 coins, designed by Luc Luyx of the Royal Belgian Mint, features a globe with Europe highlighted, symbolizing the unity of the EU. This side also shows the 12 stars of the European Union, representing the original 12 member states. Reverse, national side. Each Eurozone country has its unique design. For example, Germany features an oak twig, Ireland has a harp, and Italy showcases the Castel del Monte. The coin measures 16.25 millimeters in diameter and its weight is 2.30 grams. The coin is made of copper-covered steel, giving it a reddish appearance and magnetic properties. The edge is smooth, distinguishing it from other euro coins with milled or segmented edges. The history of the €1 coin is closely tied to the development and expansion of the euro currency. The euro was conceived as part of the Maastricht Treaty in 1992, aiming to foster economic stability and integration across Europe. The currency was introduced to financial markets as an accounting currency in 1999, and euro banknotes and coins entered circulation in 2002. The design competition for the common side of euro coins was won by Luc Luyx. His design, depicting a map of Europe, emphasizes unity and cooperation. Each participating country then designed their own reverse sides, showcasing national symbols, landmarks, or historical figures. The year 2004 was significant for the European Union as it marked the largest expansion to date, with 10 new countries joining the EU. However, these countries did not immediately adopt the euro. They gradually met the criteria to join the Eurozone. Thus, 2004 €1 coins reflect the growing unity and expansion of the EU. For coin collectors, the 2004 €1 coin holds particular interest due to several factors. The mintage of €1 coins varies by country. For instance, Germany and France typically produce large quantities due to their significant populations, while smaller countries like Luxembourg mint fewer coins. Collectors often seek coins from less common mintages. The value of a coin in the numismatic market is heavily influenced by its condition. Coins that have been well preserved, showing minimal signs of wear, are particularly prized. The national side of the €1 coin provides a rich variety of designs, each reflecting the culture and heritage of the issuing country. Collectors often aim to complete sets featuring all the different national designs from a given year. In conclusion, the 2004 €1 coin is much more than a simple unit of currency. It represents a unified Europe, showcasing the diverse cultures and histories of its member states. From its meticulous design to its practical characteristics and the rich history of the euro's development, this tiny coin offers a wealth of information and interest. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or a casual enthusiast, the 2004 €1 coin provides a fascinating glimpse into the world of European numismatics. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating coin.